Air leaks cost tens of thousands of pounds a day in energy, but they can also lead to component failure and downtime. Once you've commissioned an air leak survey, you need to address each leak in order of severity. Hello, my name is Dave Carmichael. I'm a solutions engineer with the RS Technical Support Team. And in this video, we'll walk you through how to prioritize and action the findings in your survey. Every air leak is costing you money. Your compressor has to work longer and harder to maintain system pressure. That means they wear faster and they are expensive to maintain or replace. But more importantly, if your compressed air fails, your plant stops. The important thing is to start with the quick wins, push-in fittings, hose connectors. These can often be fixed during a short machine stoppage, and a maintenance tech can do dozens in a shift. Do not wait for a planned shutdown to fix these. Cumulative saving on compressor load is significant and immediate. On the other hand, significant leaks like cylinders require more work. They usually involve unbolting covers, removing components, and potentially stopping the line. Schedule these at the next planned maintenance window or production changeover. This is an ultrasonic leak detector, which could be carried by your maintenance staff when they are repairing air leaks. They can test the leak that they've repaired, and if there is no reading, they know they're repaired. To summarize, you've received your air leak survey report. Now you need to fix your minor leaks immediately and schedule in your significant leaks at the next shutdown or product change. Once you've completed your remedial work, it may be worth setting up an annual survey with your supplier. Hopefully this video has helped you prioritize the remedial work that's come in from your survey. If you found this useful, please have a look at our other how-to videos on YouTube.